guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Noel, and today's video we are going to prepare dinner. Basically, as you can see, we are in the kitchen department, and some of you requested that you want more of lifestyle videos, so I'm gonna do that today. So I'm gonna do the cooking video, and also I'll show you a little bit of how my typical day was. I went to the salon, I braided, as you can see. How do I look, guys? Comment down below. I'm going to show you some process of plating and everything about the beauty, of course, for the day. So yes guys, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, do not hesitate, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and also tap the notification bell. So guys, without further ado, let's get cooking. What we are supposed to cook, I just want to show you the outfit of the day. If you have been here before, you must have seen this particular outfit. So I'm doing this shirt or t-shirt dress, as you can see, and this particular belt here, and a little bit of 3/4 tight there, as you can see, and also I'm doing this necklace, as you can see. And yep, so that was the outfit of the day. Let me show you what I bought today. So you remember the last time when we were trying to cook, I wanted to prepare rice and spaghetti, but I noticed at that particular moment that my rice was over. So today I managed to buy some of the rice, and then let me show you what I've tried to buy today. So this is the package that I've just come with. As you can see, we have this package here, the chicken. So this is a full chicken. I bought it at 650 shillings, Kenyan shillings. So this is kwa lugha ya Kiswahili, kuku ya kienyeji. So we are going to prepare this chicken, kuku ya kienyeji, and rice. So this is what I'm going to, but I'm not going to cook all of it today. I'm going to just split it into half. I keep other for the future course. Yes, so also let me show you what I managed to buy. So this one is leaking. I'm sorry, this one is leaking. Actually, this is a pork. It's gotten wet because it's leaking. So this is pork, but I'm not going to cook pork today. This is for another day. I'll show you when I'll be preparing pork. I know most of you do not know how to prepare pork. I'm sorry to say, but it's the truth. So one of these fine days I'm going to prepare this with you guys, so don't worry. So this one was going for 360 shillings. It's 3/4. So that's it. And we do have, I bought some beans here, the yellow beans. So these ones I'll cook with chapati. I'll show you guys. As I said, my rice was over, so I managed to buy 2 kgs of rice just locally, as you can see, because I haven't managed to go to the supermarket. So this is what I managed to buy: 1 kg going for 110, and then another 1 kg, so 110. So both of them is summing up to 220 shillings. And then of course I didn't forget to buy bananas here. I love bananas so much, so I bought it for 40 shillings, but I've eaten some of the bananas with my brother. So as I was telling you guys, so this particular pork was leaking, so I'm sorry. Let me just wipe it so that it doesn't look disgusting. Yeah, dispose. So guys, what do we do? Let me keep this. Keeping this for future costs. one of it, and then also this one. Bananas, I'm just going to wash them. So guys, comment down below what do you think about the shopping that I just made today. So these are bananas. We are going to take them before we take our meal. Let me just boil it first. Let me boil the rice water so that we can start cooking. So this is I hope you can see, the electric kettle. So we're using it to boil water. So let me just separate the chicken. And as I told you, this is my cooking pot. So those who are wondering what is this, that's my cooking pot. So I'm going to separate some chicken here. We boil it and then we will fry it together. Will I just cook all of them now? I'll see whether tomorrow I can be able to grill some chicken. I'll show you. So let me leave this one so that as I've said, tomorrow I'll see whether we can grill this chicken together. So for now I'm going to prepare this. It's enough for me, right? I don't know if you guys do wash chicken before cooking, but I have to wash because you know it has gone through some butcher's hands, so we have to wash first to remove germs. Yep. And then this rice, I'm going to put the rice here in this bucket. So first of all, we are lighting the cooker, and then you press here and then you just light it like that. Yep. So let our chicken boil, and then I'm just going to cover it like this so that you can let our chicken cook. So next thing, I'm going to pour this rice in this bucket, as you can see. Comme ça. So I think that's okay now. So this one, let me see where to put. I'm putting the rest of the chicken here, half of it, so that I told you I'll see whether I'll grill the chicken tomorrow. So let me just put it in the freezer. Now let me boil it so that we can cook our rice. As we are waiting for our water to boil, let's just clear the surface. We are still waiting for water to boil. I decided to chop these tomatoes, I chop the onions, I chop the biringanya, I chop the ginger, the garlic, the pepper, and two potatoes, this one, so that I can be able to add it on the chicken. So let's start by chopping the tomatoes here, as you can see. I am not perfect in chopping the tomatoes, but guys, if you have any idea, you just like slice it and then the heat will do the rest. So let me give you a story. I don't want you guys to get bored. So when I was young, when I was in class 2, class 3, so my mom used to go to work far away from where we stay. So we used to remain with our elder brother. So my brother used to teach us some work, cooking, cleaning the dishes and all that. I appreciate him so much because if it would haven't been him, we would have not known anything like cooking or washing the dishes or cleaning our own clothes. So thank you, Elder Bro. So I finished slicing this. As you can see, I think this will be enough for today. So one of the fine days, like I was preparing tea, and then when the tea was already boiled, my brother was telling me to remove the tea from the fire. Right then we used to use the wooden firewood. If you know what I'm saying, we have been raised from up country, the rural areas, for those who don't understand. So I was saying we have been raised from the rural setup, and we used to use firewood, unlike now. So when my brother was telling me to remove tea from the fire, I got burned by the heat. So my brother was telling me, wewe na hizi mkono zako za plastic unafaa ufanye kazi mingi kabisa ndio mkono yako iweze kuwa ngumu, waelewa? So nilichomeka mkono. Akaanza kupata kazi tena ya kunas mkono wangu. So hapo ndo nikajua, we learned through the hard way, nikajua kwamba if you remove the sufuria from the fire or the heat, there is a certain way of you carrying it. You carry it with style so that you don't burn yourself. So that's why that's how I've been surviving. The only thing that imenishinda kabisa ku avoid when I'm cooking or when I'm preparing pancakes, naweza pika pancake nifike mwisho na nitomeke. You can see this scar here. I got burned by the pan when I was preparing pancakes. So that's the only thing remaining for me to learn, how not to get burned when preparing. So guys, what is your story? Let's have a conversation on the comment box. Let me measure the rice water. So we're using this sufuria here, cooking pot, and let me use this cup here to measure. So this is 1. This is 2. Let me add 1 more. 3. So this means, because I've measured 3 cups of water, it means I'm going to measure 1 cup of rice and half, so that it can be able to cook well. So if I under measure water, it means the rice will undercook. If I over measure water, it means rice will overcook. You get the logic? I hope I'm making sense. So we use these 3 cups of water, and so it means we are measuring 1.5 cup of rice. So we are done with rice. Let's don't destroy my skin. Oh my god. You know I'm not the best chef, but I'm trying. Don't burn me. I don't want to have a burnt skin. I don't want to be embarrassed in front of people so that they can be laughing at me that I don't know how to cook. I'm just burning myself. That is not fair. So just have mercy on me, you rice. our chicken is done boiling, as you can see. So it's now time to fry. Now that is the interesting part about it. So now we're using the same pot, this one that I used to boil it, so like that, and then I use a little bit of oil. So guys, as you can see, our rice is ready, and then just see, our rice is ready and it's evenly, it's not like stuck to each other. So for the chicken, I can see it's already simmered and it's ready. So let me add the dhania, and then I just serve it. So as you can see, hope you can see, guys. Let me just do like this so that you can see. You see, it's now ready. So I think maybe I should just serve a little bit of it so that you can see. Yeah, just a little bit. So you can see our chicken is now ready. Hope you can see the chicken is ready. And then let me put a little bit of rice like that, so you can see. Let's taste our meat. As you can see, so good guys, so good. The pepper is just on the top notch, and the stew is just everything, guys. So I don't want you guys to salivate, so welcome for the dinner. And guys, I'm just ending the vlog right here right now. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't hesitate hitting that subscribe button and like, comment also. And guys, let me see you on the next video. Au revoir.